Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to view all shared links on Snapchat. Whether it's funny memes, interesting articles, or videos shared by your friends, keeping track of all those links can be really helpful. Luckily, Snapchat makes it easy to find everything in one place. Let's dive into the steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged in and you'll land on the camera screen, which is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to navigate to the channel where the links were shared. This could be a conversation with a friend or a group chat. Once you've found the desired channel, tap on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the screen, where you'll see the contact name. This is your gateway to viewing all the interactions you've had with this person or group. Tap on that contact name to access their profile and chat settings. After tapping the contact name, scroll down to find the Chat Attachments section. This section holds all the links, photos, and other media shared in your conversation. Here, you'll see a list of all the links that have been shared, making it easy to revisit any content you might want to check out again. And that's it. You've successfully viewed all the shared links on Snapchat. This feature is a great way to keep track of the fun and interesting content your friends share with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.